Hello friends, in the previous video of Phizifer, we learned that scientists have created the world's smallest violin using nanotechnology. It is the size of a dust particle and cannot be seen without a powerful microscope. Now here is a twist. Can you hear the world's smallest violin playing just for you? Don't be disappointed if I say no. This violin doesn't play the music that we can hear. Why? Because it's too small for sound waves. Actually, sound is a vibration that travels through air. And to produce audible sound, an instrument needs to move enough air. A violin, only micrometers in size, simply can't do that. It has no strings or bow in use. These nanoviolins are usually solid models made from materials like silicon or metal and often lack actually moving parts like real strings or a bow. Then what's the point of making such a tiny violin? Basically, it is a resonator used to study vibrational properties at nanoscale. Though it is not audible to the human ear, but researchers can measure its vibrations using lasers or specialized equipment. Some nanoresonators have been used to generate ultrasonic frequencies useful in physics experiments. The National Laboratories of Sandia's press release humorously mentioned it as for playing nano-said songs. Actually, this violin or a resonator has innovative applications in terms of, firstly, it showcases engineering capabilities and demonstrates the limits of precision in micro machining. Secondly, for public engagement, it combines arts with science to spark curiosity. And thirdly, it is also an important breakthrough in the vibrational research, as the resonator like these help in developing ultra-sensitive instruments for future technologies. The scientists have created this microscopic image of violin, which doesn't playable, but to test the new experimental setup of their lab, which allows them to build and study structures at the nanoscale. Moreover, it will help develop more efficient computerized designs through innovation in the field of nanomaterials. This will pave the way for the development of faster, smaller, and lower energy consuming devices. The invention of this masterpiece can be seen as the dawn of the revolution in nanotechnology. If you found this interesting, don't forget to like this video and subscribe my channel Phizifer. Thank you for watching.